Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a super effective hair treatment. This is actually going to help you to grow your hair, stop falling hair, end split ends, and also make your hair really thick. Of course, you have to always use this at most once in a week or once in 2 weeks, and or whenever you just want to wash your hair, you pack this into your hair, and trust me guys, it's going to be very helpful to you. Okay guys, all right, so let me walk you through into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And then let's go. For hair growth guys, we're going to be making use of onion. Now onion juice help improve hair growth by boosting the level of an antioxidant enzymes on the hair. It helps nourish your hair follicles with its rich content of sulfur. The rich sulfur contents also help minimize hair thinning and breakage. So it helps so much to make your hair fuller, longer, and thicker. And then we're going to be needing egg. Now egg promotes hair growth. Eggs are an abundant source of protein and nutrients that serve as hair food. The nutrients also help cope hair loss by stimulating your scalp and nourishing it, strengthening the hair roots, improve hair elasticity, stop breakage, hard shines, and heal the damage on the hair. Then we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into its follicles. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bites on the scalp. Coconut aids luster, shines, and softens the hair, and it prevents hair breakage. It helps for split ends and contribute to hair length and volume. And then we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Now aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes which repair deep skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leave your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itchy on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and condition your hair, and it helps so much for the hair follicles. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is to peel the aloe vera. Alright, so to extract the aloe vera juice, I would have to be blending it like this. And this is a quick way to extract aloe vera juice. It makes it easier, and it extracts all of the juice from the peel. Alright, so this is how it is. It is properly extracted and there are no much lumps in it. So the next thing we're going to do is to prepare the onion. And now I would have to grate the onion also. So I have to be extracting the onion juice also. Then I'll have to press it. So I'll have to turn the onion juice into the aloe vera gel. I would have to be mixing this together very well. And then the next thing is to put in the egg. So I'm going to be putting in just the white of the egg, and okay, so after that is done, we'll be left with one ingredient, which is coconut oil, which is actually very important. So you put in your coconut oil as much as you want it, okay? Now I'll be grabbing my manual mixer to make this so it can mix very fast and really well. Alright, so this is it, and this is the consistency, guys. So what you do is that you have to pour this in your hair from the scalp down to your hair. Okay, so I'm going to be using my hand to illustrate that. Okay, so this is how you're going to do, is that you're going to pour all of this goodness into your hair, and then you're going to rub it all through. And you have to make sure that this is actually very smooth, so that you won't be having any particle left in your hair. And what you do is that when you put this in your hair for 1 hour, but you have to cover it up with a shower cap. This is really nice. You just pour everything in your hair and it goes sliming down, okay? And then after 1 hour, then you can wash it off, and then you follow suit with a very mild conditioner and shampoo, okay? And then repeat this at least 2 times, once in 2 weeks, okay, like twice in a month. You do this. If you're having a split ends or a fallen hair, it's gonna be really better, okay? So that's basically how you're going to grow back your bald hair. It's going to be very effective for bald hair, and it's also going to be very effective for fallen hair. So that's it, guys. This really works so well. Aloe vera is one superb for hair. It's also superb for the skin and also in the body. So try this out, and I'm sure you are not going to be regretting doing this, and this is actually going to be so great on you, okay? And you know, it's going to grow your hair so well. All right, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I will catch you again in my next video. And bye, guys.